The Organiser, Standalone roles. There are two roles on HO, Standalone roles and career paths. In this video, we'll look at standalone roles, specifically creating, viewing, editing, and removing standalone roles. You'll find standalone roles in HO's Roles section. To find roles, navigate to the main panel and click on the Organiser tab. Since we'll focus on standalone roles, let's make sure the Standalone Roles tab is selected. How to create a standalone role. To create a standalone role, click on the Add button. A new screen will appear where you can add the role title and description. The role content card is where you'll link content to a specific role. When you click on the Add button, only lessons or courses that have been approved and published will be displayed. You can use the search features to find a lesson or course, or the drop down here to toggle between lessons, courses, or all content. To link content to a role, select the relevant lesson or course and click on the Link button. Add your contact person and relevant metadata and select Save. Once your role is saved, you'll need to publish it for approval. If the role remains unpublished, it'll not be available for learners. To publish the role, click on the Unpublished button at the top left-hand corner. Type in a comment for the approver, select the Publish button to ensure it is green, and click Save. The role will now be pending until a client admin approves and publishes it. Let's move on to viewing and editing a standalone role. To view a standalone role, click on the relevant roles overflow menu and select View Profile. Here you'll see an overview of the role, including the role details, content linked to the role, learners assigned to the role, contact persons, and metadata tags. To edit a standalone role, click on its overflow menu and select Edit. You can link more content to the role by clicking on the Add button and selecting the lessons or courses you'd like to add. You can also remove content by clicking on the overflow menu of the already linked content and selecting Remove Content. To ensure that learners can complete their training, it's important to link them to their relevant roles. To link a learner to a role, click on the Add button and select the learner or learners to which you'd like to allocate the role. Then select Link. To remove a learner from a specific role, click on the overflow menu next to the relevant learner and select Remove. You can also add and remove contact persons and metadata tags linked to the role. Once you've edited the role, select Save, and there you go. How to delete a standalone role. There are two ways to delete a role. You can either click on the role's overflow menu and select Delete, or you can click on the overflow menu and select View Profile. Once you see the role profile, click on the overflow menu on the panel and select Delete. As always, the delete confirmation modal will appear, so enter the given OTP, select Remove, and there you go.